Hi, my name is Sarika Coleman, and today I'm going to teach you and your family how to play the board game Taboo. What is Taboo, you ask? Taboo is a fun family-filled game that ages 13 on up can play. If you ever want to purchase the game Taboo after my presentation, this is what it looks like. It's a nice purple box, big orange letters, you can't miss it. You can get it from Walmart, any type of department store you can get it from. So, just if you do want to purchase it after I sell this to you, should I say. So, Taboo. What is Taboo exactly? I look at Taboo as being somewhat of charades, but we're actually speaking and we're not just acting out things. Actually, you'll find out later on in my presentation that acting out is actually one of the rules that we do not do during playing Taboo. So let's go over a couple of the objects that are included with the game Taboo and how they're used during the game. First, we have our main game card. The game card is pretty much the actor, the star of the whole game. You'll notice the game card is color coded. We have purple at the top, we have red at the bottom, we have yellow at the top, and blue at the bottom. The color coding is more for easier and harder side, should I say. So, you'll notice at the top, we have a word in bold. Underneath that word in bold, we also have a list of different words underneath it. What do we need that for, you ask? Like I said, it's like charades, but we're actually speaking. This game card is pretty much your guide, and it puts you on the right track to try and get your team to help you as much as possible. Unfortunately, we just can't say any of these words listed. So we can't say the word in bold, which you'll notice the word is flat. So I'm trying to get my team to guess what the word is flat. However, I cannot say the word flat, nor can I say any of the words listed here. Some of the words include board, tire, surface, apartment, and heels. All of those obviously, should I say, coincide with the word flat. That's why we can't, it makes the game a little bit more competitive, and it makes it a little bit more harder. And it gives your family members a second to guess and try and think what it is you are trying to reveal to them. So, a little demonstration. So my word is flat. I may try and throw out words such as ground. Obviously, the ground is flat, or we would like to think it's flat. So I would try and throw out any type of clues at all to help my team. However, what if I go ahead and say I say the word flat? Or what if I say the word board that's also listed on here? That's a problem. That's when our buzzer comes in hand. So next to me will be our opposing team's teammate, and they will be holding the buzzer. The second I say the word flat or any of the corresponding words, I'll get buzzed. The second that buzzer goes off, that point goes to the next team. Nobody likes that at all, but it definitely happens. Along with our buzzer, if I was to, so my word is flat, and I say the word rhymes with bat. We cannot say and the word rhymes with. That's definitely cheating. You'll get buzzed. Another one is gestures. So, for example, if the word is bird, I can't flap my wings. That's cheating. I'll get buzzed. The third one that we also have is sounds and noises. So there can be no sound effects. There can be no funny sounds. Any type of anything that might help your team correspond what the word is. That's cheating. You'll get buzzed. Our next item that we also have in our box is our timer. Along with any game, games are timed, right? So we have our 1 minute timer. We have a nice little hourglass. You'll see. It seems like it's moving pretty slow, but 1 minute goes by really fast. Within this 1 minute, it is your job to get your team to guess as many of these cards as possible. In the box, we have maybe, maybe 100 cards. As many cards as you can get your team to guess in 1 minute would definitely benefit your team, and your team would get a point, or how many ever points you get for how many ever cards your team guesses. Where do we put these points at? How do we tally them up? Where do we calculate them? On the sideline, we will have a person, it could be a person that's not playing the game, but they would also tally on up. This is an empty sheet and an empty paper here. However, we'll put team A maybe and then team B maybe. The person that's taking score would tally how many cards that team has received during their session of playing the game. Taboo, like I said, it's an awesome family-filled game that anyone would love. All it takes is a family, all it takes is friends, all it takes is happy spirits. And I promise you guys would have a lot of fun. Like I said, if you're going to purchase it, which I would recommend this to anyone, not for even family-filled fun purposes, but think about the fact of all of the words. How about we, embrace our children's vocabulary just by looking at words and helping them to see new words day by day, just by playing games on the card. So, if you guys do want to purchase it, this is the game. Big purple box, big orange letters. It's awesome, and it's been great. Thank you. Again, my name is Sarika Coleman, and that was How to Play Taboo.